Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to my video class. Today, take second subtopic, chord, angle and arc. What is chord? Chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Then angle, arc. Arc is a part of a circle. One circle, one chord is drawing. That time make an arc. Two arcs are here. This is minor arc. A, P, B minor arc. Then again one arc remaining. Remaining arc A, Q, B is called major arc. Therefore, two type of arcs are here. One chord is making. Therefore, divided into two parts. One is minor arc, other is major arc. Angle made at minor arc is angle APB. Angle made at the major arc AQB. Then you are looking at the arc AB, minor arc, make an angle is always more than 90. Looking that time more than 90. Then major arc, make an angle is less than 90. Therefore, what is the one top point? Important statement. Minor arc, make an angle more than 90 degree. That is obtuse angle. Same manner, major arc, make an angle is less than 90. Same manner, this arc, draw more angles, all angles drawn at end of the diameters meet at a point on the circle, any point. Therefore, this angles measure. Same manner, draw lines at the end of the line segment AB, make an one angle. Same manner, draw again one line segment angle. Same manner, draw line segment from the end of the diameters, not diameter, line segment AB, that is a chord. Line drawn from the end of the chords. That angle made at the on the arc. Measuring that time, here now 60 degree. That time measuring this angle 60 degree. Same manner measuring the all angles are equal. Therefore, you are drawing notebook, same manner one arc and make an angles using scale and draw a angles and measure by protractor. We get angles are equal. Same manner minor segment also measure. Therefore, this angle is 120. Same manner draw another angle. Lines drawn from the end of the chord to on the circle that measure 120 degree. Again mark any other point, then draw a line segment from lines from the end of the chords, measuring that angle also 120. Therefore, here one statement is clear that one idea, angles in the major arc is less than 90. That is a one point. Major arc, angle make 90 degree, less than 90 degree. Then all angles are equal. That is important. One statement is angle made by an same arcs are equal. One arc, then make an angles are same. Angle made by an arc, same arc are equal. Same arc means one arc is taken and draw the angles. The all angles measurement are equal. Same manner, minor arc, another arc, draw an angle. That time we get more than 90. Minor arc, what is the angle? Less than 90 degree. Minor arc, more than 90 degree. Then look that same angle at the same arcs are equal. Therefore, three statements now study. angle in a minor arc, small part less than semicircle, is more than 90 degree, major arc less than 90 degree. Then third point, angle in a same arcs are equal. Angle made by the same arcs are equal. So for three statements. Again we look that one arc AB, one angle is make 120 degree, then remaining arc also make an one angle. That time you measure and write 60 degree. That sum of these angles 60 plus 120. What is the answer? 180 degree. Therefore, supplementary angle, one arc and remaining arc angles sum is 180 degree. One arc made by an one arc and angle made at the alternate arc is supplementary. Sum of the angle made at any arc and angle made at the remaining arc are supplementary. Therefore, 4 points. One is minor arc more than 90 degree, major arc less than 90 degree. Third statement, one arc make an angles all are equal. All statements are equal. Therefore, all angles made at the same arcs are equal. Then fourth statement, sum of the angle made at the any arc and angle made at the remaining arc or alternate arc is supplementary. Fourth statement, important statement. Same manner we want to prove next statement, the angle made by any arc of a circle on the alternate arc or remaining arc is half the angle made at the center. Made at the center. Therefore, the angle made by an arc of a circle on the alternate arc. So, what is the one arc? Angle made at the one arc. Here I write one arc AB. It's give C. ACB. We take one arc ACB. Angle made at any arc. Therefore, angle made by an arc on the alternate arc. Alternate arc means, what is the alternate arc? Alternate arc, this. Of the angle made at the center. One arc, angle made at the arc equal to the angle made by the alternate arc. This is the alternate arc or remaining arc is made at the center. This is the made at the center. Angle made at the center is half of the center. The angle made at the any arc is half of the center. അതായത് ഒരു കോഡ് ഒരു ആർക്കിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ആംഗിള് അതിൻ്റെ സെൻട്രൽ ആംഗിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന, അതായത് സെൻട്രൽ ആംഗിൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ റിമൈനിങ് ആർക്ക് സെൻട്രൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ആംഗിളിൻ്റെ പകുതിയായിരിക്കും, ഹാഫായിരിക്കും. അതാണ് നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അതായത് ഒരു ആർക്ക് എടുക്കുക, ആ ആർക്കിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ആംഗിള് ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ 30 ഡിഗ്രി ആണെങ്കിൽ റിമൈനിങ് ആർക്ക് സെൻട്രൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത് എത്രയായിരിക്കും? 60 ഡിഗ്രി ആയിരിക്കും. അതായത് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഹാഫായിരിക്കും ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവുക. അത് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം, ജനറലായിട്ട് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പം ജനറലായിട്ട് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം നമ്മൾ അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ ചെയ്തു. ആ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷനാണിത്, ജോയിൻ ഒ സി. അതായത് ഒ സി ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തു. ഒ സി ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഡിവൈഡഡ് ഇൻ ടു 2 പാർട്ട്. Angle is divided into 2 parts. That one part is take x degree. What is the name? X degree. OCA. X degree. Let OCA x degree. Same manner angle OCB y degree. Let two angles OCA x degree, angle OCB y degree. Take two angles. Then consider these two triangles. This is OC and OA are radii of the circle. OC equal to OA are radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. Clear? OA, OC are radius of the same circle. Therefore, this triangle is, two sides are equal, therefore this triangle is isosceles triangle. AOC isosceles triangle. Therefore, triangle AOC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Therefore, equal sides, opposite angles are equal. What are the equal sides? OA, OC. These opposite angles are equal. Therefore, OA opposite x degree. Therefore, OC opposite side also x. Reason isosceles. Therefore, OAC equal to OCA x degree. Same manner, consider next triangle. OC equal to OB. OC is equal to OB, radii of the same circle. Therefore, triangle BOC is an isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Therefore, equal sides, opposite angles also equal. Here y, therefore this also y. Angle OBC equal to angle OCB equal to y degree. Therefore, this is y degree. The AOC isosceles. Therefore, equal sides, opposite angle equal, xx. Same manner, take this triangle, two sides are equal. Therefore, equal side, opposite angle also equal. Therefore, y, y. Therefore, you find out two angles are you got. Therefore, find the third angle of a triangle. What is the third angle of a triangle? One triangles, two angles are given. Then what is third angle? How to find out the third angle? Two angles given, therefore third angle is 180 minus 30 plus 40. What is the answer? 180, 70, therefore 110. Same manner, here two angles are given. Therefore, what is the third angle? 180 minus 180 minus x plus x. What is x plus x? 2x. Therefore, angle AOC equal to 180 minus 2x. 180 minus 2x. Reason, sum of the angles of a triangle 180, but two angles are given xx. Therefore, third angle is 180 minus x plus x, 2x. Therefore, same manner you want to find out third angle of triangle BOC. What is the third angle of BOC? BOC is also 180 minus two angles are given. Y. Therefore, what is third angle? 180 minus y plus y, 2y. Therefore, we get two angles. But you are already studied, angle around a point is 360. Angle of center of that circle is 360. Angle around a point is 360. Angle around a point is 360. Therefore, 2 angle is given, then what is remaining angle? Therefore, angle AOB equal to total 360 minus given 2 angles. What are the given angles? 180 minus 2x plus second 180 minus 2y. Angle around a point is 360. Therefore, 2 angles are already given. Then what is third angle? Remaining angle 360 minus 180 minus 2x one angle, 180 minus 2y second angle. Therefore, 360 minus 180 plus 180 360 minus 2x is plus 2x. Here also minus of minus 2x plus 2y. Here 360 are cancelled. Therefore, what is remaining? 2x plus 2y. Therefore, AOC, angle AOB is 2 of x plus y. 2x plus y, 2x plus 2y, 2 is taken outside, therefore x plus y. Here angle ACB is equal to already given x plus y, that is equal to half of 2xy is given. Angle C is 2x plus y. Therefore, what is x plus y? Half of angle C. Half of angle C. Half of angle C x plus y. Therefore, angle made at any arc of the circle is half of the angle made by the alternate arc at the center is, this is the statement, important statement of this chapter. Angle made by any arc of the circle on the alternate arc and half of the angle made at the center. Therefore, again I just explain. First, one triangle is taken, angle made at the chord at the arc, that is divided into 2. One is take x and other is y. But this is a isosceles triangle. Radius equal ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇത് isosceles triangle ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ എക്സും ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തേർഡ് ആംഗിൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും? 180 മൈനസ് 2x ആണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ വൈയും ഇവിടെ എടുക്കുക, കാരണം ഇതൊരു ഐസോസിലസ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ആണ്. വൈ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതെന്തായി? 180 മൈനസ് 2y ആയി. പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് ആംഗിൾ അറിയാം, ടോട്ടൽ ആംഗിൾ ഈസ് 360 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 360ന്ന് ഈ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് മൈനസ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അപ്പം 180 കൂടെ 360 ആണ്, ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്ത് പോകും. 2x പ്ലസ് 2y. അപ്പോൾ ഈ കിട്ടിയ ആൻസർ 2x പ്ലസ് y ആണ്. ഇത് നമുക്ക് ഓൾറെഡി x പ്ലസ് y ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് തമ്മിലുള്ള റിലേഷൻ എന്താണ്? ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ആംഗിൾ മെയ്ഡ് അറ്റ് ദ ആർക്ക് ഈസ് ഹാഫ് ഓഫ് ദ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ മെയ്ഡ് അറ്റ് ദ സെൻറ്റർ. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഹാഫ് ആയിരിക്കും. അതായത് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു 60 ഡിഗ്രി ആണെങ്കിൽ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ എത്രയായിരിക്കും വരിക? 30 ഡിഗ്രി ആയിരിക്കും. അതൊരു 90 ഡിഗ്രി ആണെങ്കിലോ 45 ഡിഗ്രി. സെയിം വേന 120 ഡിഗ്രി, therefore 60 degree. Therefore, angle made at the arc is half of the angle made at alternate angle made at the center. This is the important statement. Clear?